Your wall oven is equipped with a Sabbath mode feature with special settings in accordance with the observance of the Sabbath and other religious holidays within the Orthodox Jewish community. Sabbath mode disables all audible tones and visual display changes on the oven display. Bake is the only cooking feature available while in Sabbath mode. Most other oven controls are locked when this feature is active. To begin using Sabbath mode, touch the menu options bar. Scroll to Sabbath mode and touch the feature to select it. Follow the on-screen instructions to select your bake temperature, cooking time, and a delay if desired. To exit Sabbath mode, press and hold Exit for 3 seconds. Now that you know how to set Sabbath mode on your wall oven, let's go over some other important things you should know about this feature. When the Sabbath feature is active, only the plus and minus keys and off will function. All other keys should not be used once the Sabbath feature is active. During cooking, press the plus or minus key to modify the oven temperature. The temperature will increase by 5 degrees Fahrenheit or 1 degree Celsius, and the change will be accepted automatically. If you need the interior lights, activate them prior to setting Sabbath mode. Once the light is on and Sabbath mode is active, it will remain on until both Sabbath mode and the interior lights are turned off. The oven will shut off automatically after completing a bake time, and therefore may only be used once during the Sabbath and during Jewish holidays. Get ready to enjoy all the conveniences your Frigidaire wall oven brings to your cooking. For more information and tips, reference your use and care manual or visit us online on the Frigidaire website.